Hey guys, today is October 16th, 2018. It's exactly 2 months since I've been taking these Nature Bounty hair, skin, and nails extra strength vitamins. The reason why I wanted to do it today instead of yesterday, Monday, October 15th, was today was exactly 2 months since I started taking this. So, like I said in previous videos, these are amazing. Like, I've said that in previous videos. These are amazing. I got them at Costco for like 14 something. They have, I think, 250 gel caps. The reason why I'm in a different setting, I'm in my bathroom again, is because there's a mirror behind me and I wanted to show you the results. So one thing I wanted to show you was I done previous videos because I took the Biotin Nature Bounty gummies, and those only have vitamin A and vitamin E and biotin. I think, don't quote me on it, but I wanted to take these gel caps because I'll show you what they look like. They're a little pretty pink color. They have 5,000 mcg's in each one, and Nature Bounty recommends that you take 3. So I take with food. So take it with food. So I take it morning, lunch, and then I take it at 7 Pacific time, because sometimes I forget to take it at lunchtime and I don't take it till like 3 o'clock, and then it's almost dinner. So I try to space it out a little bit. So that's why I take it at 7 o'clock Pacific time. So I wanted to show you some of the results. I googled on how long it would take to see results, and Google said, or the people said on Google, that it takes anywhere from that I would see results from 2 weeks, starting at 2 weeks to 2 months. So, or 2.5 months. I can't remember if it's 2 months or 2.5 months. So, I have already seen results because I was taking the gummies, and before I was even taking the gummies only have 2,000 mcg's about it, and you take them 2 times a day. So that's only 4,000. In this one, you're getting 15,000. So a lot more. So I have already seen results before I was taking these vitamins. I had to stop for a while because I got sick. So the doctor made me stop all vitamins, but now I'm back on them. So, but before I started this challenge way back, like months ago, my hair would only grow on this side. It wouldn't grow on this side. So now, I haven't cut my hair since July 13th, and I started these pills. Sorry, I dropped it. These pills on July 16th. So I was a little worried that it wouldn't grow right. It would just be lopsided and look like I have an A-line bob, which is cute. It's in, it's trendy, but I didn't want it. So I've noticed that my hair is growing the same length, like, as the other side. So, in previous videos, I've said it is growing. I'm in my bathroom to show you in the mirror. It is growing in the back. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but it is growing. And I do have lots of grow out underneath. And you can see right there, it is growing. So, it is growing, like, a lot. So, hair doesn't, like, magically grow overnight. Like, it takes time. Like, if it did, it would be a miracle. But it takes time for hair to grow. Your hair grows half an inch a month, no matter what you do to it. Like, people do, hair treatments. They put coconut oil and all that to moisturize your hair. Yes, that's fine. But your hair, like, it doesn't matter what you do to it. It grows half an inch every month. Don't quote me on that, but that's what I've heard from hairdressers. Like, you can do all this stuff and maybe you'll see a better result, but your hair grows half an inch every month. Like, you can put heat on it, whatever. I mean, putting heat on your hair is really bad for it, but it doesn't matter what you do to it. Your hair grows half an inch, no matter what. So, but this is a hair video, but not about, how fast your hair grows or whatever. So, look, I picked these up at Costco for like $14, $15, but I'm pretty sure you can, find it at Walmart, Target, your drugstore, anywhere in the vitamin section. I totally recommend these Nature Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nail Extra Strength vitamins. If you have any questions, comments, put them down below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe and look for week 14. And thanks for watching.